welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a super easy and delicious homemade ice cream. You don't need a machine on this one. We're gonna make cookies and cream and chocolate with almonds. Okay, we're gonna need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We'll need 14 ounces of the sweetened condensed milk, some crushed up Oreo cookies. I'm using the Oreo minis, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and I have some Hershey's chocolate syrup. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and start whipping our milk. You see the little small peaks? That's exactly what you want. So now we're gonna add the condensed milk. All right, we're just gonna go in again. You don't wanna whip it too much. So we're gonna try just to get the condensed milk all together, okay? Here we go. So just come in, make sure everything's whipped. It looks great. You wanna add your vanilla. Let me get my Hershey syrup. Just go around, come to the middle. Pour your cookies in, and then we just mix. And then next we're gonna do a chocolate with nuts. You can add whatever you want in there. This is like endless how, you can put mint and chocolate chips. You can add as much or as little as you'd like. You can put candies in here. I like to put them in the Ziplocs for the freezer. Okay, and now we'll start our chocolate. All right, we can start on our milk.
All right, just keep that mixer moving because you want that air under there, okay?
Add our condensed milk. Go ahead and add your cocoa powder. And then your either vanilla extract or your chocolate extract, okay? All right, let's go ahead and start to mix again until everything is incorporated. Mix this around first before we get a big mess the way I did. All right, now we can mix. All right, here we go. We don't want to overmix this, okay? Because we want to keep that air in there, okay? This is so delicious, and the chocolate is so rich. If you're a chocolate lover like me, you are gonna enjoy this. Now you want to add your nuts. You just want to fold it over, okay? Because you want that light fluffiness. And if you overwork it, it'll deflate, okay? You can add some chocolate chips. I'm using Lily's, but you can add any kind of chocolate chips you like. You can mix it up and just add whole almonds if you want in there. Some have, some whole. Make sure everything's incorporated. All right, we're done. Now we'll just go ahead and pack them. All right, so then we'll just put them in here. All right, now we're just gonna put these in the freezer. In about 4 hours, you'll be having some delicious ice cream. All right, we'll see you for the best parts. All right, let's go ahead and serve. I put this out for about 10 minutes before I wanted to serve it. I just want you to see the consistency, okay? So look how delicious this is. And this is the chocolate with almonds. Look at this. And now for the best part, the taste test. This is just creamy and delicious. So delicious. I'm so excited for you to try this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. And until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours, bye.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento